Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna teach you how to make like a coin that respawns and also gives you a certain amount of like coins or cash or whatever you want the leaderboard to be. But I'll just teach you how to do that. So to start off, let me just make a little coin. So I'll add just like a cylinder, scale it like a tiny bit smaller. We could change it to neon. Make the color like this yellow or this like gold, and then we can make it a bit bigger, and there we go. I think that's a pretty good coin for now. And now we will obviously just name this coin, because why not, and let's add a scripted event, a script. Alright, so hello. Why is this not typing? Alright, so we're gonna start off with the currency. So that will equal quote unquote your name of your currency. So I'm gonna do cash. Let me actually do, before I do that, I'm gonna add a leaderboard after, but cash. So this is gonna be the what your leaderboard is called. So that's what your leaderboard is gonna be called, and then we're gonna have the amount, which will be like, let's say you get 5 cash for collecting this coin. So amount of stuff you get. Alright, so next we will also add a debounce. Debounce. It's really late, and I'm using my big screen and it's far away, so I might spell a few things wrong. Debounce equals false. Now we could make like a new line. Might as well do function on touch. And then we will do hit, and then we could do an if hit dot parent parent of first. No, not first, sorry. Find first child. That is correct. And then we could come over here and get this humanoid. And then we could do the squirrely, I don't know what this is called, the squirrely thing, and then we could do a nil, and then we could do another debounce. So I'll just copy that. And debounce equals false. And then we could do a then if game dot players find first child. Then we'll do hit dot parent dot name, and then we will do this thing again. So the squirrely thing then equals nil. Then we will do this player. This player. Wait, that doesn't look there. This player equals game dot players. So hold on, game dot players find first child currency, and then we will have dot value equals this player leader. This player dot leader stats, and then we will do this last thing, leader stats find first child, and then currency we'll do dot value plus amount. Now we could start a new line, and this player, we could write this player dot leader stats. Where's that button? Find first child. find first child, and then currency. Find first child currency dot. Sorry, I'm just looking at my notes. So find first child currency. Wait, did I do this? Yeah, currency. And I spelled this wrong. So this line, this entire line over here, just like do enter, put it one line down, and then type this player equals game dot players find first child, and then we will have hit dot parent dot name, and then we will have this, and okay, there we go. And then over here we could add a, where is it? Here we could add a script dot parent dot transparency equals 1. So this is going to change it to like invisible. Then we will have the script dot can't collide. God, I can't type. Why is it not collide? Okay, why is that equals false? And then we will also have a debounce equals true. Then we will have a wait. We could do 5 seconds before it responds. So this is how long it takes till the coin responds. And then we will have a script dot parent dot transparency. Script dot parent dot transparency equals 0. So this is basically bringing it back, and then we'll do a script dot parent dot can collide equals false. Wait, I mixed those up. This needs to be true. Yeah, there we go, fixed. After that, we could also change the debounce back to false, and we could basically be done. We do need to add one more thing though. So if we come to down here after the ends, we could add a script dot parent dot touched connect, and then we will have on touch. So that should be the script done. I will add some more lines, fix up some of these text. This all looks like it's correct. I don't know why there's an underline on this. I guess we could test it out. So I need a leaderboard called cash. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just added a leaderboard and I called it cash, and we should spawn with 0 cash. So that means 0 cash. So once we collect this coin, it should give us 5 cash. And I didn't anchor it. I don't know if that needs to be anchored. The script should be running. Let me just anchor it. And now, if I collect it, that's weird. Why it's not working. So line 9 of this isn't correct. Line 9. I'm not sure why this isn't working. What's this underlined for? This player is okay. If I change this to that. I'm not sure why this isn't working. I'm gonna go look through the script and rewrite it, and I'll be back. I found the problem, guys. My leaderboard was called cash, and my coin's currency was coins. So I'm very smart. But now if we walk over it, there we go, we got 1 coin. I need to configure it a bit more, so I just retyped it. So this is gonna be the name of your leaderboard. Next, this is gonna be the amount you get. So amount of underscore you get, and then this is the respawn time, which I already wrote, but time yeah, just respawn time. So this is the script. I will leave a free model of this in the description. You could take it if you want. I mean, I personally would rather script it. It makes it a bit more fun. But here is the script again. I'll zoom in a bit. There it is. And you could obviously just use it whenever you want. You could obviously change this to like coins without capitals and and cash. You could name it whatever you want, rebirths, and then you could obviously just change your amount. So I'm gonna do a coin. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, well, like if you enjoyed, dislike if you didn't, I guess. And 70% of you guys aren't subscribed, so you know you have to subscribe. Alright, free model in the description. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.